We just arrived here in Krabi, Thailand, and in this video, we're gonna give you guys a quick tour of this Krabi resort.
It's a 4-star family-friendly resort right in Ao Nang, just a short walk from the beach. We picked this place mainly for the price and location, but we will show you what you actually get when you stay here.
Hello, checking in.
The staff were friendly, spoke good English, and the whole process took just a few minutes, which is exactly what you want when you've been traveling all day.
Got a key card, let's go to the room. The swimming pool looks very popping right now. It looks really nice. They have the pool bar, swimming up bar.
Oh, nice.
This is good. You don't have to go anywhere. Our room is in the building behind. This is amazing, guys. I now know why this place is so popular. Oh, this is the poolside massage. Look at that. So we're here already in our room. We booked a deluxe double room and with the sea view. So let's see how it's like, the sea view. Well, first of all, when you walked in, you see right away the sink here. So the toothbrush, shower cap, and the sanitary bags are given here. You can also request to replenish all these amenities here. And then this, I don't know what it is, but I think it's a bathroom. Also, a shower room. Well, you have to push it, sorry. There is also shampoo and also the shower gel provided. Oh yeah, the bathroom in Thailand has bidet, so happy butt. They also give the hanger here and also the umbrella just in case it rains. There's a huge area for your luggages, so you don't have to worry about it. So give the safe so you can put your valuable stuff in here, and also the hair dryer in here, towels. They also give complimentary like tea, coffee, like basic stuff. And let's look at the fridge here. Nothing in the fridge, but you can put your stuff. You can buy stuff from like 7-Eleven and then just put your stuff in there. Table, like a makeup table, a very small one. And when you turn around here, there's double beds. Yeah, we booked double bed. We have to ask the staff to push the bed together. We value the view, that's why we stay with this double bed. It's high season currently, that's why there's no other room for us to change. Let's see the view of this room, how much sea view we can get in this room. All right, let's come outside. Whoa, need some oil here. You can see like very tiny sea view right there, but you can still see it. So yeah, it's really nice if you want to see the sunset. And you can also hang your clothes here. And you can also see the pool from here. It's actually packed. It gives the Las Vegas vibe, guys. So yeah, what do you think about this room? And this is how much it costs for this room we booked for.
One cool thing about this hotel, they have this app here. It's called Pocket Concierge. Pretty much you can do everything with this app. You can order room service, you can order amenities, you can book transportation, you could book excursions. Pretty much everything in the hotel, all the information about the hotel is done through this app. So it's pretty high tech.
Good morning, guys. This is our second day here at Sea Seekers. We are about to head out to have breakfast, so let's see how it's like.
The breakfast runs from 6:30 to 11, so whether you've got an early excursion or just want to sleep in and ease into the day, you're good. The dining area has both indoor and outdoor seating. Inside is cool and bright, while outside has more of a breezy, relaxed vibe. Okay, so the buffet actually surprised me in a good way. There's a lot going on, but it's all laid out in a really organized way. You've got things being cooked fresh right in front of you, like an egg station, boiled rice with sea bass, and even a noodle bar. Plus, there's a mix of local dishes and classic comfort food if you're not feeling adventurous. Whether you're into something warm and hearty, something light, or just something simple like toast and fruit, you will find it. And if you're traveling with kids or picky eaters, don't worry, they've got the basics covered too. There's also a little drink station with juice, tea, and coffee. The coffee is nothing fancy, but it's hot and strong, and honestly, that's all I needed. They switch up a few things each day too, so it doesn't get boring, which I really liked. Now let's talk about the facility, starting with the pool.
Just get in, I'm gonna get out, it's so cold.
It's big, clean, and very family friendly. There's a separate kids area and even a water slide, which honestly was pretty fun, even for adults. Some of the rooms even have direct pool access, which is such a nice bonus if you like hopping straight in. There are tons of sun loungers and we never had a problem finding one, even in the late morning or afternoon. There's also a pool bar like I mentioned earlier, and they've got happy hour from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. They've got separate towels for the pool and beach, and the desk only open from 8 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Inside, there's a small kids corner with slides, toys, and books. Simple but a good place to let little ones wind down after pool time or avoid the heat. The gym is open 24 hours. It's not huge, but it's got everything you need. A few machines, free weights, and treadmills. It was super clean, fully air conditioned, like freezing, and honestly empty every time we walked by. They also had a few rotating activities during the week, like aqua aerobic, and one day they were handing out free Thai popsicle. It's nothing over the top, but just enough to give the place some energy without it feeling too loud or chaotic.
That's really good.
Okay.
It's made out of soda?
Very traditional one.
There's also a Japanese restaurant inside the resort. We didn't get to try it, but a local actually recommended it to us. Something to check out if you're staying longer. Now let's talk about the location. The resort is about a 5-minute walk from Ao Nang's main street, where you'll find ATMs, money exchange, tons of restaurants, massage shops, convenience stores, and even a hospital.
Hopefully we don't have to visit, but
No,
it's pretty
yeah.
close to the hotel if we
Let
need
me
something.
knock on it.
Yeah. But yeah, pretty busy. This gives me like, I don't know, I feel like I'm on spring break vibes. Pretty busy. There's people everywhere, drinking,
Yeah.
eating.
She said there's no low season here.
Yeah.
It's always busy.
Yeah.
If you're thinking about renting a scooter, there's a rental place just around the corner with reasonable prices. The beach is only a few minutes further, so you won't really need any transportation while you're here. And on our last day, we actually found a night market just a step away. A fun little surprise if you're out exploring after sunset.
Okay, so we went to the pool so that they can clean up the room, and then this is what we came back for. This is adorable. It's a happy birthday. And today it's an elephant with balloons. This is adorable.
We also tried room service one night because we weren't feeling well, and honestly, I say skip it. The food wasn't great, and compared to what you can get nearby, it's not worth the price. If this was helpful, give it a like, share with a friend who's planning a trip to Krabi, and don't forget to subscribe. We've got more Krabi content coming soon. See you in the next one.